from a bus, I can't touch the back. He make Masicka look like Masicka. Some incendiary bully when we drop liver. He could have flash sticker. He make Nazi black. When he does, every bus is all just sticker. He make Cap Shiver. I am Black River. Tell no rapid if I have to pass vaccine. This is me go for me gun. Pick up a feet and murder.
I'm not sure if you want to war family.
Reaction.
Boom! What's the word to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction blast? Yeah man, it's evening, yeah, early o'clock in the morning. It's very early, but right now we're at Sparta. The song is called Control. Official music video. Right? And before we start, to the side people, I'm literally going to the comment section now and I'm going to ask what the comments say about the song. Right? And so I say, yo, this is not even this track. This is the bass song for call out man Masicka. We are talking, and that's a go on. For call out Masicka, for him start, for show what he made. And apparently Masicka respond. And that's why I so fast early in the morning, people right around 5 o'clock right now. That's what I say, no, I'll go on, right? You know what's going to react, right? So like the video, drop your comments, drop your thoughts on what I'm going with the war right now. You know, I drop that one first, and then I drop the Masicka. But check out both my channels, then check out TyrekeReacts and TyrekeReacts to keep up to date with what I post. Look see what I'm going for the time of the right now, yeah, oh my God. I'll be a vibe in this right now, you know that. You know me? Yeah, man. Run through.
So GP rising every murderer.
Hold on. I'm just want to hear that song already. How many now?
It's funny, so GP rising every murderer. But do some luckily shows force rap Mendicat. No street credit and a black murderer. Bungalow, some money, some go some jama.
Half rip tell man to go do what? This one even start good yet? No, hold on. This done right. This can extend. I want them to use. Alright, come on. And I made big no blood clot, man. Alright, come in.
I'm going never run off a black. No little boy can give girls a chance. Be what I be, don't be what I not. And a size up with it down. Hey, I'm seeing a wire so I'm in this car that and everything all if up in the thing now. Anything now, thing now. Really breeze me walk me. Lose my mind, I'm fucking Virgin Island. The curse my bloodline, give me certain to kill me. Why about your bloodline? Totally get down some newsery. Let me sit down and watch it. Be a killer run out of one rush. Run a bumbo, every bone in there, bro. Come around with a 3 piece in 9 cut. Come around.
Christ, I'm gonna take more war family. I'm gonna take more war family at all. People say bad with it. And I can't realize why somebody in the comments a while ago say, yo, this is not a distraction, this is a bass and for call out to me, show what you wait for him. Boss off me in the car. Watch your style.
No bumbo, every bone in there, bro. Come around with a 3 piece in 9 cut. Come around with me smoking night out.
Yeah.
Empty the clip and reload the turbo down. Put in the piece of smoke mode. The better down on the wet line in I road. The lumber down in a nasty dish throat. Gravy them rough out in I road. Beat them with acid that sink and I hold. Melt the punk for rifleman road. My friend them full up a bomb buckle.
It's like a rock star this track.
Melt the punk for rifleman road. My friend them full up a bomb buckle suit. Alone at half for kick off your bitch note. She ride this out. Let me bust off in her throat. Me turn it back way. Me clock the kill out. The spit in her face. I say love my bitch now.
Jesus Christ, what I say fuck it when she ride it over, then turn around. Hold
kick off your bitch note. She ride this out. Let me bust off in her throat. Me turn it back way. Me clock the kill out. The spit in her face. I say love my bitch now. Hold me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Half the control. Me half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control.
Christ, because I play by the bus already. Because I play by the bus already, I got school at Jamaica, dog. I heard them man right this song, Judge that make you see it. Make you see it, connect to them on the side of the bus, I kick her foot out that door. Yo, make you see it. Buckler!
Half the control, half the control, half the control. Psycho man roll me half the control. Me half the control. Soon a hole when the corner shoot. Duck off a lonely tune in my hammer suit. When the hammer move, every hammer move. Clap up the palm like in a commander movie. Ever have a thought, me ever have a ruthless man. Find a yard, I'm a killer, I'm a movie. Line a dog, they like a Call of Duty. My kind of dog, they shall kill the fuse.
Tamil singing at people, you have to like literally lock in but understand what the dog say. But it's a vibes and vibes alone, it's just a vibes. You see me? So you have to do that. But you have to really lock in and focus. The beat songs of the WMC, you have to just lock in and say, yeah. You can't verse out like a pause and I try. You don't see a regular Tamil song that you have to just lock in. When you want to go back in that again, I say so. Bumbo clad.
Baramba, you run up no bumbo. You don't go rumble, every hand you rumble. So you don't know shit that comes with fungus. Shots it drunk, you turn over rumble. The aroma swag, you make it cloud and dark up. Don't go come when you hunger them. No one, no book, no boy, I call my size up in the air. Tell you where the big mama, but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka, look like Masicka, some incendiary.
So I can't name. Hold on!
Mama but I can't touch the back. He make Masicka look like mosquito. Some incendiary bully when we drop liver. You could have flash sticker. He make Nazi black. Swear the dust every bus is all drastic. He make Cops River. I am Black River. Tell you how rapid if I have to pass vaccine. This if you go for me gun. Pick up a feet and murder.
I'm not sure if you want to work Tamil. I mean, see him drop a song named Veil. Is that from his EP when I come out? Because I can see for Instagram and say, oh, I beg me feature, and okay, cool. You me say, me hear what you say. But still, I still Tamil. And if I want a feature, give dog a feature. You understand me I say? Thank you. But if you dog want a feature, give dog a feature, right? But, me not say Tamil calling him in the song. Size up with the dance star, go on.
Tell you how rapid if I have to pass vaccine. This if you go for me gun, pick up a feet and murder. Have to control me, have to control. Psycho man roll me, have to control. Have to control me, have to control. Psycho man roll me, have to control. Everybody is have to control me, have to control. Have to control me, have to control. Psycho man roll me, have to control. Have to control me, have to control. Have to control me, have to control. Psycho man roll me, have to control.
I wonder why I'm dancing in the background. So what the blood clotted brother here? I'm moving so crazy. But you know, say Uncle D man to blood clot.
Everybody is out to control me, out to control. To bring me down, so me love thinking about the money to bring me down, baby. I love me, out to control me, out to control. Boss me all about. That song go with the Navy boss. Boss me all about. You with them, please it up. Tell them start it.
See? I'll be saying, tell them to start it. This is a bait song, people. I'm telling you, it's a bait song. I'm going to see the comments. We love got the comment section already. And the vibe already now. See, it's right there. Brother, this is not a diss track. He uses this to bait up Masicka. And so him can start the round. Wait till Sparta write this track later. See there? Got to take rock, dance all in one. Peak Tamil Sparta. Prime Tamil is back. All Sparta vibes. I don't want to hear no excuse. Masicka asks for this behavior. Me Jesus Christ. Then Tamil, this is Uncle D man. Bambokla. No little boy can't. He goes to chat. You know what I'm going to Tamil song? Me, Masicka song. Me not chat to him for too long. Like the video. Wait for the next one because I drop this first and then we go do it. Me not do it to them back to back. I drop this first and then go do it. So like the video. Me see you in another video. I'm out.